Alrighty guys, hello and welcome. Today we'll be replacing the cabin air filter for my 2015 RC 350F Sport. And let's get to it. Now it's really simple to change, the cabin filter. Easily, just open up the glove box, push the button right there, get all your junk out, put it on the ground. Alright, you want to lift, you want to take out this little sliding thing right here. And you should see, that opening in there. I'm gonna lift up these two tabs. 1, 2. Pull it out. And your old filter right there. Okay, I'm gonna push these two tabs to the side, left and right. There you go. Pull it out. And let's look at your cabin filter. Pretty dirty. Well, not really dirty. I mean, I dusted out earlier. Anyway, charcoal carbon. Or charcoal. I think one of those. So we got the little tray that says up. So let's go ahead and take this tray out. This little filter out, old filter. Okay, I had this thing upside down, did I? So let's go and get the other filter out. We got this one. Brand spanking new filter right there. Bought it from Rock Auto. And it says it has the up arrow going up. But here's the thing though. Let's get this confusion out of the way. To know where your airflow is going from, let's go and turn on the car. Yes, I have my key in my pocket. I don't know why it's not registering, but okay. Take like a string or something. Alright. And I'm not pretty sure you guys can see it. But in there, there's a fan right in here. Okay. So let me see if I can put my phone in there. So you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to turn on the air, right? Put your recirculation button on. Put like a plastic in there and see where the airflow is going at from. So I'll get one of my paper. You want to shove it into your filter. Now, if you can see, if the paper going down, that means the airflow is going downwards. But if you see the paper going upwards like that, that means the airflow is going up. Hopefully not, pretty sure you guys can see it. I need some lighting in here. Okay, there we go, there's some lighting. Okay, so let's take this paper for example. So I'm gonna put it in here, right? If the paper goes down, that means airflow is going down. If it goes up, that means airflow is going up. So let's go put it in there. It's bending downwards. You see, it's bending downwards. So paper's flat, right? Airflow is going down. So let's go and turn off the air. Okay. Just going to get this new filter in here. Which I have from TRC. Open this up. Comes with this little instruction right here. What does it say? Okay, ensure the air filter is pointing upwards. So, we got this filter, brand new filter. And we're gonna make sure this air is pointing upwards because it knows that airflow is going down. And I have my owner's manual right here from Lexus. Okay, Lexus owner manual. I already bookmarked the page. Air filter cabin. It says right here, remove the air conditioning filter from the filter case and replace it with a new one. The up arrow marks shown on the filter and the filter case should be pointing up. So the filter case, as you guys can see right here, it will say up. Now here's my old one. Here's my old filter, right? I accidentally put it upside down because I thought airflow was going upwards, but the airflow is going down. So it should have been like this. So if you guys get this kind of filter that says air point up, and another one that says airflow down, right? This one's gonna point upwards because it built the filter that knows it's going downwards. And that's the right side up because it knows that this filter was built for airflow going downwards. This one was the correct way because it's always been built and has the arrow right here, the airflow is going downwards. Now if the airflow was going upwards, as you guys can see from my my paper demonstration, then yeah, we can put it upside down like this. That means airflow is going from the bottom to up. But with this car, airflow is going from the top to bottom. So it should have been like this. So with this new filter, that says the air is going to point upwards because it's built for the airflow that's going downwards. So we don't want to get it confused like this. So let's put it back. Let's put this new filter into this filter tray that says air point up. Put it in. Just make sure it seats correctly. Hopefully this clears some kind of confusion. Perfect fit. Shove it back in here. I'm wearing a head strap for this phone. Alright, push it in. Close. Both tabs are good. Put this cover in. Put a little slot. Good. Put your little tray back in here. Slide this baby back into the slot. Put these little two tabs into the hole and throw everything back inside your glove box. And hopefully that clears up any kind of confusion on how to put your cabin filter in the correct way. So I had it wrong before. Hopefully this video is a lot better, and I'll see you guys next time.